Hi guys, in today's video, I would like to show you how you can share your Instagram profile link. Let's dive in. First of all, when you want to share your profile link to people, probably someone is asking you to share your Instagram handle and you don't know how to go about that. So you come down, when you open your Instagram account, you go to your profile section. When you get to the profile section, then you see the options that say share profile. When you click on share profile, it will allow you to share your profile in different ways. You can actually share the barcode here to anyone. Once they scan it, it will take them to your profile. You can also use the share option here. Once you click on the share option, it will generate your URL for you, so you can share it from there. You can also copy the link directly from there. Once you click on copy, it will be copied. You can also click on download here. It will download the profile so you can share it as document to people. That's how to share your Instagram profile. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification button so you can be notified when I post my next video. Thank you.